How AI sells more cars and books more repairs. Fast. What if I told you that AI is selling more cars than some of your best salespeople? Sounds crazy, right? But dealerships using AI are closing more deals, booking more repairs, and leaving their competition in the dust. AI finds leads, nurtures them, and even handles follow-ups automatically. Stick around, because I'm revealing exactly how AI is rewriting the dealership playbook, and how you can use it to sell more cars, faster. The problem: why dealers are struggling. A dealership with low foot traffic, a salesperson making cold calls with no success, a service department with empty bays. Let's be real, car sales aren't what they used to be. Customers don't just walk in anymore. They browse online, compare prices, and only visit when they've already made a decision. And service departments? Missed appointments, cancellations, and empty repair bays are draining profits. The solution? It doesn't wait for customers to come to you, it brings them to you. AI is like having a super-powered salesperson that works 24/7. It tracks online searches, social media activity, and even competitor pricing to find buyers actively looking for cars. Then, it scores these leads based on buying intent, so your sales team focuses on the hottest prospects. AI filters out tire kickers. Only real buyers remain. AI chatbots close deals while you sleep. Ever lose a lead because they didn't get an answer fast enough? AI chatbots respond instantly, even at 2 a.m., answering questions, booking test drives, and nurturing leads. That means customers move down the sales funnel while you sleep. Smart pricing and inventory management: AI comparing competitor pricing, dealer adjusting price in real time, and the end result is a sold sign placed on a car. AI doesn't just help with leads, it makes sure your pricing is always on point. It tracks competitor prices, market trends, and even suggests what to stock based on demand. The result? More sales, less overstock, and no dead inventory. AI equals maximized profit and faster sales. AI-powered service and repair booking. AI doesn't just sell cars, it keeps your service department fully booked. It predicts when customers need maintenance and schedules appointments automatically. No more empty bays, no more missed opportunities. AI turns your service department into a profit machine. AI equals more service bookings. The payoff: why AI is a game changer. Let's recap. AI-powered dealerships are seeing AI will help you with 30% more leads plus 20% more repair bookings plus 15% higher profit margins. And the best part? It's all automated. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. And dealerships that don't use AI? They're already falling behind. Will you adapt, or will your competitors leave you behind? Call to action. Generate leads. Want to see AI in action? Click the link below for a free AI demo and find out how it can revolutionize your dealership today. Don't wait. The AI revolution is here. The only question is, will you use it, or will your competition beat you to it? Relatable pain points that dealership owners understand. Fast-paced, engaging visuals with high-energy delivery. Clear, structured AI solutions with proof of results. Let's optimize it. Please comment on your thoughts below about how AI can improve your car sales, and please continue watching my videos on lead strategies simplified, and please subscribe.